If you put $5,000 into an index fund at age 25 and never add another dollar, you end up with over $74,000 by age 65. Waiting until age 35 to make that exact same investment results in a final balance of just $38,000. That 10-year delay costs you $36,000. To understand why, we have to look at how interest is calculated. Simple interest is linear. You put in $1,000, earn 10%, and receive $100. Every year after that, you receive the same $100 return based on that initial deposit. Compound interest works on a moving target. In year 1, a 10% return on $1,000 gives you $1,100. In year 2, that 10% is calculated on the new baseline of $1,100, earning you $110 instead of $100. Because you are earning interest on your interest, the returns grow every year. This money-making money effect is why entering the market early is a more powerful wealth driver than waiting until you have a larger sum to invest. You can estimate this growth using the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your expected annual return to see how many years it takes to double your capital. At a 7% historical average return, your money doubles about every 10 years. This staircase shows $10,000 growing to $20,000, $40,000, $80,000, and eventually $160,000 over 40 years. Adding monthly contributions creates even more momentum. If you invest $100 a month starting at 25, you will have personally contributed $48,000 by age 65. However, your total balance will be roughly $262,000. $214,000 of that is market growth. Now, consider the cost of starting that same $100 habit at 35 instead of 25. You still contribute $36,000 over the 3 decades, but the shorter time frame shrinks the final balance to $121,000. That 10-year delay results in a $141,000 penalty. Time drives the math of retirement more effectively than the specific dollar amount of your contributions. The duration of the investment is the primary factor in the size of your final balance. 3 factors can undermine this math. First, fees. A 1% annual fee sounds small, but it compounds negatively. On a $100,000 portfolio over 30 years, that 1% leak drains your balance by over $186,000 compared to a low-cost index fund. Second, early withdrawals. Pulling $10,000 out of your account at age 35 removes that capital from the compounding cycle forever. By age 65, that withdrawal has cost you the $76,000 of growth that money would have generated. Third, inflation. If your money is sitting in a low-yield savings account earning 0.5% while inflation is at 3%, your purchasing power is shrinking. To build wealth, your return must exceed the rate of inflation. Any interruption to the compounding process, whether through high fees, withdrawals, or low returns, causes mathematical damage that becomes impossible to recover later in life. Compounding requires patience because the early years feel slow. The line stays relatively flat for the first decade or 2. You must stay invested through this flat period to reach the point where the curve turns upward into explosive growth. To put this math to work, follow 4 steps. First, start immediately. Contribute consistently every month. Choose low-fee index funds, and never touch the principal. This breakdown is for educational purposes and is based on historical market averages. It does not constitute formal financial advice. Time is your most valuable asset. Because you cannot recover lost years of compounding, starting today is your best option to harness this math. To see exactly how to place your first investment with just $100, watch the next video right here.